Better watch out. Learn and try. You watch and learn. Yeah.
Really chewy.
Tender.
Hi everyone! So it's me again. I'm your Marian Ambisyosa from the Social Climber Squad. So for today's video, mga kaburikat, syempre, another day, another leave, another forever here at Hinaguan Nature Park. As always, remember, there are always a rainbow after the rain. Let's go! Nalinis po si Madam at saka si Amanda. And tapos na po magluto ng breakfast. And wala si na Madam ay naglilinis at nakapagsain na rin. And dun po si Hi Brie, you're so fresh.
Thank you.
And and si Bating. And nandun po sila Madam kumakain with Scarlett and the visitor. Lasing si Oyong. Oh. Hugaw si Oyong. Yatay. So it's a brand new day today. Hello guys. We're here at Hinaguan Nature Park. Always remember, there's always a rainbow after the rain. So wala na pong habagat. So naglalagay na ulit ng tubig sa pool, and the color of the river, it's very clear, not a color brown. And also we have a visitors from Japan. Same siya kay Shonky, nasa Cebu din nagstay, pero pauwi na din sila ng Japan. And ayan, sana mapuno na yung tubig. I wanna swim na. Chareng! Oh, na-swim. Ano, wala pa ako nakikitang tubig. Ay, nasa first, ano pa lang, first floor ng ladder. And ito guys, ito talaga yung plakado dito. Pwede ka mag-photoshoot. And pwede ka magduyan-duyan while watching the swimmers. Taray, swimmers! And alam nyo, ang ganda na talaga dito. We have a perfect place to live in. I love Hinaguan so much. I met a lot of people here. We drink. We have bandings together. So, ayan. Pupunta po si Madam sa hospital.
So, dapat sa e-house, no?
E-house na lang.
Gawas mo sa e-house ba?
E-house?
Teng!
Ano?
Video-video sa silang Maria din na to.
Sino sa nag-edit ko?
Content.
Ay, bisa ako.
Ay, di kayo mag-gun.
Lakaw mo, Beng.
Apple yung video para, o airdrop na lang mong duwa.
Ayan, si Amanda ay naglalaba. Kami tayong dalawa pala.
Kuwari sa Kaplangana ba?
Ayan si Madam, magpapacheck up po siya. Tapos siya ng hospital and kaya na Mamasita. Si Scar. Ayan, nagmamadali na po si Madam kasi andyan na po yung sasakyan. Kasama niya po si Argel. Kakatapos lang po namin mag-breakfast and mag-vlog ni na Madam. Ako, si Madam, si Scarlett and the visitors. Yan si Sir Argel. Apil ka, Jel? Manager? Ato! Ay na yan yung mga gwapo po na dumating. Ayaw.
Personal connection ba?
Ito na po sila galing ospital. Ayun na po si Madam and our visitor from Japan. Madam is very well na. Nagpa-check up lang po siya. And we're going to eat. Ate Rhea, Brittany, Bateng, Sindri Amor, Scarlett from Japan, Madam, Amanda. Nasa labas po si Jigjag and Argel.
Tomorrow, ha?
Yeah, ha?
Oh, you go there.
Yeah, sure.
See you later.
Take care!
Ampeng!
Ampeng. Kainan na! Day!
Ay, mga una.
Mga una!
Lord,
Amen! Kaunan na!
Atay, sarsan, yan ang gulay, meron pork, sarsa,
Suka!
bihon, sabaw,
Oh, suka?
and ano,
Kanang suka o duwagi na
langka
nagaman.
na ginataan.
suka din ko.
Kaya ang dami ko rin nagiging friends dito sa Hinaguan, sa mga nagvi-visit. So, syempre, we welcome them. And also, we bonding together every night. Chareng! Nagiinuman, ganon, nakakausap-usap, kwentuhan. Kasi nagiinom din naman kami paggabi. Lalo na kapag weekend. So, meron kaming mga nakikilala. At sobrang daming mga bumabalik-balik kasi nag-e-enjoy sila. Kaya, ang sarap dito sa Hinaguan Nature Park, promise. May enjoy nyo rin talaga so much. Kaya sa lahat ng gusto pong pumunta dito sa Hinaguan Nature Park, tara na! Let's go! I'm gonna make sure to everyone na mag-e-enjoy talaga kayong lahat. Promise. Di ba, weekends meron may mga pabanda si Madam for free entrance. Siyempre, mabayaran nyo na lang is yung swimming pool at cottages. Kaya I hope someday, some far away, you're gonna visit Hinaguan Nature Park. Ang ganda-ganda dito, promise! Ang nagiging na. So, ito po yung niluluto ni Bating. Pak, it's pork adobo. Ang perfect ng adobo. Perfect talaga magluto si Bating. Kasi pinapalabas yan ng bonggang-bongga yung mantika ng baboy. And here's the adobo of Bating. Oh my God. And the chow pan from the visitors. It looks like it's delicious. And paired po adobo. I love it. Cookies. Ayan, they're cooking. And tapos na rin po sila magluto ng chow pan. And si Batay nakapagluto na rin ng pork adobo. Hey, Day! Gawa ka, Day! So, our dinner for tonight. Nag-prepare na po si Inday. Ayan. Perfect dinner.
Sige.
The food is radish.
Yeah.
That's why if you eat, you better watch out. You better not try. You watch and learn.
Yeah.
The meat is really chewy. Tender.
Tender. How did you make it?
Juicy.
How did you make it?
Yeah.
That's 1 year ago.
Overcooked. It's very yummy.
Umukdo ka. Di pressure cooker ba na?
Wala.